All right, so we got some news regarding Nvidia stock that we have to break down in this video, and you guys know the drill. We're going to break down the charts as well, what I'm looking to do, where I see Nvidia going in the short term as earnings are right around the corner in less than 2 weeks. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and of course, get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which guys, I'm telling you, this is the best deal right now by far. So check out the link down below, or simply go to stocks.com/Moomoo. Get your free money. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So check it out. Nvidia stock is trading at $147 right now, and it's actually down. It's actually down over 1% on the day after hitting all-time highs in the pre-market. And get this, guys, we almost hit $150 in the pre-market. I mean, we pretty much did. We got to $149.95. I mean, how much closer could we get, right? We actually almost hit 150 at open as well. But since that point, we have sold off a bit. And like I said, now we're at 147.35. So clearly, guys, Nvidia is building momentum. We're breaking out, heading into earnings. And the $150 price target, which we had set weeks ago for the stock for this year, it pretty much hit. It pretty much hit. And the uptrend here is continuing. Obviously, it's intact on the 5-day, 5-minute chart. And on the 20-day, 1-hour chart, you guys can see we have a golden cross. We're above both moving averages. And over the last 2 days of trading, pretty much, we have broken out of the highs from the end of October. And we're pretty much now seeing another leg up. We're breaking out finally, which if I pull the 4-hour chart up, you guys can see we had a bit of an ascending triangle for a couple of months that was intact, and that was in play. Well, I guess now officially it's in play as it is playing out, but we had this forming for months, and now we're breaking out of 140, 142, and we're getting a nice leg up. I mean, you guys can see we hit 141, 142 back in June. That was the all-time high back then. We hit it again a couple weeks ago, but now we're fully breaking out. Excuse me, guys. As we were making higher lows into that resistance, and now we're pushing through. This is a very good sign overall for the bulls. And by the way, earnings, which you guys already know, but I'll tell you anyway, on the 20th. They're in 12 days from now, not this Wednesday coming up, but the Wednesday after that, on the 20th after the bell, we're going to be getting Nvidia's earnings. And guys, get ready. They are going to be massive. Very, very important. So let's go over the news that we just got, which is also very important. Guys, let me actually go over here to the Safari tab. And by the way, sign up to the email list. Have you guys done that yet? It's completely free, and I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks right to your inbox every single Monday. Check out the link down below in the description box. Put your first name and your email address, and boom, like I said, my top 3 stocks every Monday to your email for free, and there's no spam, no BS, just straight up value. So make sure you guys sign up using that link down below. So the news is that Nvidia is now in the Dow Jones. You heard that right. It is now a part of the Dow Jones, and so is Sherwin-Williams. So we had 2 swaps in the Dow Jones. Nvidia got in and Sherwin-Williams got in. I'm pretty sure Sherwin-Williams replaced We'll take a look in a second. I actually forget. But Nvidia replaced Intel. Nvidia replaced Intel, and actually Sherwin-Williams replaced Dow Inc., the chemical giant. So yeah, Intel got the boot, ladies and gentlemen, which is not too surprising considering how poorly of a stock Intel has been, how bad their business has been performing. But you guys can see right here, Nvidia joined the Dow Jones on Friday, replacing Intel as the AI darling, cements its position as the world's most valuable company. And the change took into effect, or went into effect today, officially on the 8th of November when I'm making this video. And it's not like Nvidia did much after the news. I mean, we got to almost $150. You guys saw that earlier in the video, but now it's pretty much down a little bit, down about 1%. Nothing crazy. And Intel actually isn't doing much as well. Last I checked, at least, the stock was at break even today. But yeah, I mean, look, stocks get cycled out of these indexes all the time. You guys see every quarter the S&P boots a couple stocks, adds a couple stocks. The Dow does it as well, although I feel like the Dow isn't cycling too many stocks, like the S&P is. There's less in the Dow, way less. There's 30 stocks versus the 508 the S&P 500 has, but the Dow still cycles stocks as well, man. And with Intel suffering, their stock's down 50% this year. The business, I'm pretty sure it's cyclical, of course, but it's not doing well right now. So yeah, that's the news. Nvidia is in the Dow Jones, and so is paint maker Sherwin-Williams, ticker symbol SHW. And now the Dow Jones has, I believe, 4 of the 6 big tech trillion-dollar companies inside of it. It now has Amazon, it has Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, and I guess Nvidia now. So that's 4. The only 2 that are not in it are Alphabet and I believe Meta. Yeah, I'm pretty sure those 2, right? So yeah, Nvidia is in the Dow Jones, guys, officially. And the Dow Jones, by the way, hit an all-time high today. If I actually pull this up, give me a second. By the way, guys, run the likes up on this video. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. I think 50% of you guys, I know, based on the analytics, 50% of you watch the content, but you're not subscribed for some odd reason. So if that's you, make sure to subscribe and look at the Dow Jones Go, the most green index in the U.S. today, up 0.75%, up over 300 points, and we hit 44,000 points, guys, which is, yet again, another all-time high. So, yeah, Dow, all-time high, guys, and I'm sure a lot of that has to do with Nvidia being added to the index, or at least part of it. So, yeah, man, this is a crazy day. It's been a crazy week, definitely one for the history books, as Donald Trump is, again, becoming the president for another time, for a second term, and we got another 25 basis point rate cut. It's been a crazy week, man. All-time highs after all-time highs for the indexes. A bunch of stocks have been crushing it. So, yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, like I said, make sure to subscribe, run the like button up, and get your free stocks, up to 15 stocks. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, I'm telling you, the best deal right now. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Mumu. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.